Hobby Lobby has some really fun craft items that might be good for the season year round too. But right now they're having 50% off on a lot of good items that you can grab. The spring, the summer items are going to be on sale. I thought these were cute for back to school. I know it's not time yet, but when it does come to make like some custom boards and stuff for the classroom, different things they had, just super cute, super fun. And right now, I think it's a good time to grab these. These have the little changeable pieces so they can change every season. I thought that was cute, different holidays, stuff like that. The blanks, the wood blanks, love these things. Um, and they are to me a good price. So you can use these as a base for your craft projects, different things, or you can just use them standalone and they are super cute. This one has so many nice details in it, just really pretty. And if you have a steady hand and you're good with painting, you can just freestyle that. Super nice. The games that you can make with the tic-tac-toe piece. You can get real creative with this too, with the back piece, and you can put like a little print on there, something fun if you wanted to do that. But like the wood blanks, love those at Hobby Lobby. That's so many to pick from. And the little small pieces, you can build on these with some of the other wood blanks. Love those, but just a lot of fun ones. And like I said, only a couple dollars for a lot of them. So you can get really creative. Or like I said, again, you could just use them as is. They have some nice big wood blanks too. So if you do like those ones at the bottom there, if you do like a lot of parties, different things like that, those backdrops are so nice. The frames, another good one to use for the season. These right here. So you have the coasters where you can make the like custom coasters, but then you have these little pieces right here where you can make like custom jewelry boxes, custom trinket trays, different things like that. This one, the drawer is kind of hard to pull out. You can see the other one is missing, but super cute, especially if you can get the drawer to glide out real nice. This one is one of my favorite ones from Hobby Lobby. Just it looks really unique, different things, and you could just maybe just finish that off with some wood stain, and that will just do. It's just super cute. These signs are so cute. So imagine you can just use this as is, but imagine if you put something around it and made like a custom door hanger. That would be real pretty. Another good one. This one is nice and bright for the season to use. They have a few other nice little pieces too. They have like the Highland cow. They have the flamingo pieces. They had not a large selection left, but a lot of good ones left when I did look. And these are all going to be 50% off because the spring collection is 50% off. A lot of the summer items, 50, well, most of the summer items, 50% off. So you can find like a lot of good things. They have out a lot of the fall items right now, but you can still get a lot of good spring and summer pieces. Most of the spring pieces are basically, to me, they look just like summer pieces. So those are really good to grab. And like I said, 50% off. But these are some more of the wood blanks that you can grab. And like I said, build off. They have like the little pretty bow ones. They have like the traditional ones that, you see a lot. But like I said, if you can get really creative with these, you can just even just putting on a nice bow, like after you finish it off with some nice paint, some wood stain, different things like that. But like a really nice bow will finish that real nice. Maybe some other little bead details in the other one that would be really cute with some of the other wood blanks. They have some other big games there that you can customize to fit in with your space, but just a lot of good things.